Experiencing a frozen screen when renaming your Tesla in the app? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues during the profile save and server sync stages. This video will guide you through troubleshooting this common problem, offering practical solutions to get your vehicle renamed smoothly. We'll cover the reasons behind the issue and step-by-step fixes. The Tesla app's rename feature involves saving the new name locally and syncing it with Tesla's cloud servers. The stuck state arises from network instability, server delays, especially during peak hours, corrupted app cache, or authentication errors. Essentially, it's a synchronization problem between your app and Tesla's servers. Knowing this helps us target the right fixes. First, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Weak signals often interrupt the sync process. Next, close the Tesla app completely using Force Quit on iOS or Android. Then, restart your phone or tablet. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the app's connection. Finally, reopen the Tesla app and try renaming your vehicle again. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the Tesla app rename issue, the next step is clearing the app's cache and data. This removes potentially corrupted local data that might be causing the sync problem. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, locate the Tesla app, go to Storage, and select Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files that could be corrupted. For iOS devices, you'll need to delete the Tesla app entirely, restart your phone, then reinstall it from the App Store. This fresh install clears all cache data. Remember, you'll need to log back in after reinstalling. Expired session tokens can cause the rename process to freeze during sync. When authentication expires, the app loses its secure connection to Tesla's servers. This happens because the app's secure session token becomes invalid, preventing proper communication with Tesla's authentication servers. To fix this, first log out of the Tesla app completely. This clears the expired session and prepares for a fresh authentication. After logging out, wait a few minutes. This gives Tesla's servers time to fully clear the old session data. Now log back into the Tesla app using your account email and password. This creates a fresh session token and establishes a new secure connection. This re-authentication establishes a fresh connection with Tesla's servers, which can resolve authentication-related sync issues that were freezing the rename process. Sometimes, Tesla's servers experience outages or maintenance, which can cause the app to get stuck during sync. Let's check the service status first. Visit Tesla's official service status page to see if there are any known server issues or maintenance windows. If the status page shows no issues, check community forums like Tesla Motors Club or Reddit's r/Tesla Motors for user reports of widespread problems. If you find reports of server problems, the best solution is to wait until Tesla resolves the issue before attempting to rename your vehicle again. If none of the previous fixes resolve the issue, it's time to escalate to Tesla support. They have access to advanced tools and can perform back-end resets or diagnose specific problems with your account or vehicle. Before contacting support, check your app interface for version information. The Tesla app displays vehicle status and can help you gather the necessary details. Contact Tesla support through the app's help section, their website, or by calling customer service. Be ready to provide specific information about your situation. Prepare key details, including your app version, current vehicle firmware, and a list of troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This helps support diagnose the issue quickly. Tesla support can perform back-end resets for your account or vehicle, or escalate complex issues to their engineering team for further investigation. Tesla recognizes these app challenges and has ambitious plans for the future. A comprehensive app overhaul scheduled for 2026 will transform how the app handles sync issues. The upcoming update will incorporate AI-driven diagnostics that can automatically detect and resolve sync errors, potentially eliminating the need for manual troubleshooting in many cases. Future versions will also enhance offline capabilities, allowing more features to work without constant server connections and significantly reduce reliance on Tesla's cloud infrastructure. To take advantage of these improvements and minimize future frustrations with vehicle renaming, always keep your Tesla app updated to the latest version. Thank you for watching this guide on fixing Tesla app rename issues. Stay tuned for future improvements.